There's never been anything like it in the asphalt industry. The most powerful, most cost-efficient control system ever developed. From Libra Systems, Generation 2.
If you're like me, you've seen a lot of asphalt in your time, a lot of asphalt, and changes. The business has grown up. It's more sophisticated. We're more professional as managers, and we need more professional tools. There's a lot more to it than just asphalt these days.
We've got to make money. We've got to plan better. We've got to turn receivables, watch cash flow, run multiple plants efficiently, buy smarter, keep customers happy, and supervise more employees. And think of this, the plans you make today are going to have to hold up into the 21st century. You see, that's what this control system is all about. This is the Generation 2 control system from Libra Systems Corporation. You've never seen anything like it. The most advanced, the most powerful plant and office and management systems controls ever developed. From a company with an impressive record in the asphalt industry going back over 20 years, Libra Systems. Back in the late 1960s, Libra pioneered the industry's first reliable solid-state controller. Libra was the first with computers for asphalt plants in 1974. Computers, incidentally, with menu-driven screens, something it took some competitors 10 years to duplicate. Libra introduced the first integrated computer controller in 1977, a high-density model in 1979 with increased data processing capability, then was first again with integrated silo controls in 1983.
Libra is now in hundreds of asphalt plants. And to those who know, Libra Systems is, without question, the technological leader in batch plant control systems.
And now, Generation 2, the most important development in integrated plant and management systems ever.
Along about now, you may be saying to yourself, so what? We have a system, controller, computer, everything. Works fine. That's probably true. But what if just by plugging into the power of Generation 2, you could save more money, make more money, get more and better information that you need, and have controls that you never imagined possible before? Because your old system, even if it's new, won't pay for itself like Generation 2 will. This is a new generation of technology beginning now that obsoletes everything that's come before.
Generation 2 is unique. No matter what computer system you choose for files, for accounting, for record keeping, no matter what formats you choose, Generation 2 can be configured to suit your exact requirements. No matter what type of computer system you choose for your office, Generation 2 will interface with that computer. Unlike competitive control systems, plant-to-office and office-to-plant communications are set up to meet your precise requirements, whatever they may be. Of the 3 leading control systems on the market, Generation 2 is by far the most powerful. To be precise, it is 13 times more powerful than the others. The competition uses older technologies. One uses EEPROM, the other floppy disks. Neither can approach Generation 2's memory capacity or speed. You deal with numbers all day long: truck numbers, carrier numbers, job numbers, customer numbers, federal, state, and local government numbers, invoice numbers, costs, selling prices, each requiring different lengths of fields. The detail can boggle the mind. The competition with far less sophisticated systems must restrict data input. So many digits allocated to job numbers, so many for carrier numbers, and so forth. With the power of Generation 2, no such restrictions apply, nor should they. This is your operation, your plants, your business. All screen information is color-coded for ease of operation and for speed. The quality of the actual image is twice as bright and 3 times sharper than the television picture of the screen you're viewing. And Generation 2 uses simple language and simple prompts that anyone can understand and that anyone can learn quickly. Look at this. This is Generation 2 in a typical setup. If you have the latest system from one competitor, the latest system, you have 50% more equipment than this for the operator to handle. Theirs is called an optional attachment, and at best, theirs is a patchwork system that cannot do for you what Generation 2 can. No matter how busy your plant is, one single operator can run the batch plant, load out of a silo, and access any and all information required from a single keyboard and with fewer keystrokes.
There is no need for a separate hot mix batch control or a hot mix loadout control or someone to run them. Does that save time? Does that make operations simple? Does that minimize errors? Does that save costs day in and day out? Huh. Is asphalt black?
Of all the controllers on the market, Generation 2 can accommodate the most complete data file on your customers, with information instantly available at both plant and office sites. Generation 2 automatically updates customer files, picking up information from your daily transactions. Credit information is available at the touch of a key. The office can grant or withhold credit immediately when a truck pulls up at a plant location. And remember, your customer files are set up the way you want them. Unlike most controllers on the market, Generation 2 doesn't lock you into any one way of doing business. Changes, as your business needs change over the years, are simple and quick. Generation 2 has the most practical, cost-saving inventory system available, eliminating the need for frequently shooting the piles, saving time, and providing practically automatic computerized purchasing information. No competitive inventory system even comes close. Look at this. This is the truck recall feature. The operator keys in a simple truck number, and there it is. Everything from the last transaction: tonnage, customer, job, product, every detail right on one screen. No lists to look up, no paperwork. It's accurate, saves time, and it's exclusive with Generation 2. And listen to this. Within seconds, all this information is available to the office for billing. Same day or next day billing is a reality with Generation 2. Other advanced features of Generation 2 include extended truck queue, the ability to set up information for an entire line of trucks, freeing the operator to handle other duties. Generation 2 has the most effective manual backup system in the industry in the unlikely event of a computer problem. Here are examples of some of the reports that Generation 2 can put on your desk, customized for you, with the information you need to run a profitable business in today's market. These and any other reports you want, whenever you want them. There's a great deal more to this system that time won't permit us to describe. For example, our 24-hour technical hotline with troubleshooters who know computers and asphalt plant operations from cold feed to ticket printing. There are a number of enhancements already under development for the future. For example, a feature that will permit your office to monitor any plant operation at any time. You'll be able to tune in to the computer screen in a plant and observe activities as they are happening. We have a worksheet that will tell you just how quickly Generation 2 will pay for itself in improved cash flow alone. Most companies recoup costs in 6 to 22 months.
Now here are some people who know what Generation 2 will do. People who have investigated and chosen Generation 2.
We've been very happy with all the Libra systems we've had in the past, and we purchased the Libra Generation 2 system because we thought it was the best available in the market. Our plant people are very satisfied with it. They found it easy to operate, and they're doing a great job for us, and we're very pleased. Our top management's also pleased with the equipment, and we all feel now that it was the best choice we could have made.
This general manager likes Generation 2 because it improves communication between the plant and office. Sales orders that come in after the plant has closed are now handled easily.
With the Generation 2 now, all this information will be put on a CRT prior to the morning's activity, and the supervisor or the operator can come in the morning and recall this information and know exactly what is going to be done for that day.
Steve Canizzaro has found that Generation 2 has greatly increased his plant's productivity. It used to take 14 minutes to load a truck. Now with Generation 2, it takes 10 minutes.
I really noticed an improvement in the quality of the mix. It seems like it is much more consistent now since we installed this system.
For this asphalt company president, Generation 2 means better inventory control, a reduction in job costs, improved truck management, and increased billing capability.
It's been very good to us, and we've seen great cost savings since it has been installed.
Of all the systems we've seen, Generation 2 is the best for plant-to-office communication and office-to-plant communication.
I've been in the asphalt industry for 30 years, and I feel that the Generation 2 control equipment is the finest piece of equipment I know.
I've been in this business for 25 years, and this is the most advanced system I've seen.
You want to know if Generation 2 is for you? Well, if your current system doesn't communicate easily with your office computer, you're a generation behind. If your system doesn't have a fixed hard drive, you don't have the power. You're a generation behind if your controller supplier considers a personal computer an expensive optional attachment. Or if you have more than a single simple setup in your plants. And if you're not invoicing within 24 hours.
For more information, a demonstration, and Libra Systems' unique guarantee, contact your Libra rep or Libra Systems at the address on the screen.